So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down what you can do, what I did to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast in 2021. Now I searched the internet, I watched multiple YouTube videos, but I'm gonna break down a few things that a lot of content creators are not sharing with you that allow you to get a lot more followers fast, and more importantly, start building your brand on YouTube right now. Now what I want to share with you guys is that if I can do it, if anybody out there has a YouTube channel that's really successful, I just want to share that you can do it as well. So take this advice, run with it, and more importantly, do what I did, and you're going to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. But if we have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, and also smash this thumbs up button, it goes a long way. We have a lot more videos to come, and I don't want you guys to miss it. So I'm going to jump directly into this video. It's actually crazy to think that I actually achieved this goal of hitting my first 1,000 subscribers, but it all comes down to this one thing that I did. The first point out of the 5, which I'm going to share with you guys really quickly in this video, is that I was able to build an audience on another platform. Now we all want to build a brand on YouTube, but honestly it's all very difficult. There's not as much organic reach on this platform. Everyone is trying to post, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, and everyone is kind of fighting for the same eyes on YouTube. But one thing that I did in my YouTube journey, and one thing that allowed me to get a lot of followers fast, 5 to 10 subscribers every day, that took me from 0 to 20 subscribers back 6 months ago into over 1,000 subscribers now, was I was building on other platforms. Now I posted a lot on TikTok. Now hear me out on this. Right now I'm sitting a little over 220,000 subscribers on TikTok, but what I did, it was so much easier to grow on TikTok. So find an external audience, find places that you can build followers that are a lot easily through organic reach. You can post a TikTok and get over 10,000 people watching it, and once they follow, then you can go live and then go ahead and transfer that audience on TikTok onto your YouTube. So one thing that I did was to build an audience on TikTok. It's fairly a lot easier to post on TikTok, to build an audience there, than it is on YouTube. Then once I go live, once I go ahead and post videos on TikTok, I am basically promoting them to go to my YouTube channel, and through all these views, more people are going to see your channel in your bio. They're going to go ahead and discover you on YouTube. So what you guys want to do is focus and spend some time not only producing content on YouTube, but produce content on external sources like TikTok, because this is a great strategy that you can use, and also, which I'll share in a second, that you can use content for to help grow your YouTube channel. So the second thing that I want to share with you guys that a lot of people are not talking about, that has really changed my channel, as well as got me a lot more subscribers rapidly over these last 2 to 3 months, is posting shorts on YouTube. Now every platform, Snapchat, Instagram, Reels, and even YouTube, are all trying to compete with TikTok. Right now this seems to be the movement, so I want you guys to start utilizing YouTube Shorts. Now this means you can post 60-second videos, any short clips, go ahead and post it all on YouTube. The truth is, there's a lot of long videos out there, but with this competition in this marketplace of social media, YouTube is trying to get their handle on, and they're going to start pushing your short videos, your 60-second videos, to the content, to the platform, and more people are going to discover your channel. Now, like the great thing that I touched on earlier about building on YouTube and other platforms is that you can take that content and post it directly onto your YouTube channel. You've already posted the content, and you can go post it on YouTube, and now you're going to have more people see this content, and you're going to start growing fast on YouTube. I've seen incredible results, and I want you guys to take advantage of posting 60 to 30-second YouTube videos. It's going to help change your channel and get you a lot more views, and also get you a lot more subscribers in 2021. Now I'm telling you guys, this is things that people are not teaching you. I've learned from this, and I wish I knew this when I was getting started, so go ahead and start doing these 2 things. Now the third thing that I want to share with you guys is the honest truth about treating your YouTube channel like a business. Not only is it important to be consistent. Now for me, I'm trying to post at least 3 to 4 times every day on YouTube. Now the honest truth, it takes a lot of work. Posting, creating new content, coming up with new ideas, editing these videos. 20 to 30 hours a week is literally normal for a YouTube channel. But if you want to see greater results, get more subscribers, the more time you focus, the more time you kind of dwell on the idea of getting more subscribers, and more importantly, reflecting on this huge goal of getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, the more likelihood you are going to achieve it. Put that work in, put the grind in, stay focused, don't give up. I'm telling you guys, this consistency, your ability to continue to post, your ability to go ahead and comment and treat this like a business, build a real audience, produce as much valuable content as you can, as physically possible. The more value, the more content, the more results that you're going to get on your YouTube channel. Now the fourth point that I want to share with you guys is going to allow you to grow in 2020 on this platform, on this beautiful platform YouTube, is to create a wide range of videos. Now there's so many content creators out there There's some people that are trying to teach you to grow on YouTube that just say, find your niche, discover what you want to post, and post as much as you can about it. But honestly, you're a human. You have to separate yourself from the other content creators. Now, what you want to do and what I did is to post a lot of different videos from side hustles, from businesses, from reselling, from going into thrift stores, buying things, reselling. I posted it all because as much value as you provide to the audience, the more likelihood that you're going to get discovered, the more likelihood that people are going to like you from another content or another channel. So just be who you are and create as much fun content that you really enjoy producing, because if you're not producing content that you don't, enjoy, then there's no reason for you to continue to stick with this and go through the process of being consistent and posting videos every day. So make sure you're posting the things that you enjoy. Be very wide and narrow. Well, talk about the things that you enjoy. Talk about the things that you're trying to work on. Talk about your goals. Be as real as you can with this camera, and don't just BS it, because people can truly feel if you're like being authentic or not. And if you're not being authentic, if you're talking about things that you don't know, then you're not going to grow and get subscribers on this channel. Now, lastly, guys, the truth, the hardcore truth that I was going to allow you to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and a hard lesson, a hard knock that I learned after this was you have to at least post 100 videos on YouTube before you start seeing any types of progress. Now, this is very important because if you believe in your mission, if you believe in what you're doing on this platform, then you're not going to expect a lot at first. Now, the truth is this could be very disheartening. I remember posting videos, getting 2 views, 2, 3 subscribers, 5 subscribers, 10 subscribers. But what you want to do is go ahead and knock out that first 100 videos, the first 50 videos, because these videos are your test videos. These videos, when you can look back and kind of laugh at yourself and say, hey, was I really talking like that on camera? These are the videos that actually build your YouTube channel, because this is the foundation. When you're starting a business, when you're starting a YouTube channel, you're not perfected. You're not actually communicating the right way. You're not having that confidence that people really enjoy, and you're not really understanding who you are because you're nervous on camera. So these 50 to 100 videos is going to take time. You're going to learn how to properly edit. You're going to have to go ahead and create thumbnails, because over time this stuff is all going to evolve. And the beauty about this YouTube channel and growing on YouTube in 2021 is that the more time you put in, the more edits you take, the more time you're going ahead creating thumbnails for yourself and doing this, you're going to see and look back over time, things are starting to progress, things are getting better. And with this progression and with this continual persistence, you're going to start landing more subscribers on YouTube. So guys, that's kind of the summary of how you're going to start landing more subscribers on YouTube. So I just want to summarize it all up for you guys to allow you to just give you a clear picture on what you need to do in 2021 to get more subscribers on YouTube. And I just want to reinforce that if someone's done this before, I talked about this earlier, you can do this too. I want to give you guys that belief because I thought, how am I going to achieve it? And over time, this is all going to start working out for you. YouTube is an incredible platform, and more importantly, it can change your life forever. So don't give up on your dreams, your goals of building a YouTube channel in 2021. So the first thing that I want to say, guys, is go ahead and build content on places that actually, can go viral: TikTok, Instagram Reels, build other channels, and then funnel them into the YouTube algorithm. Get them to subscribe, because all these different avenues are allow you to get more subscribers. And more importantly, the YouTube algorithm loves when you bring other people from other platforms into the YouTube channel. They're going to reward you by having them kind of watch, as well as they're going to reward you by bringing new people to your channel because you're bringing them from outside sources. The whole game of social media is to keep people, consumers like you and I, on these channels, on these platforms as long as they can. And if you can do that, bring other people from the outside world in, you're going to get rewarded and start getting more noticeable traction on your channel, and you're going to start getting a lot more subscribers. Secondly is to create shorts, 30 to 60-second videos, post them on YouTube. Not only is it going to be able to help, create fun videos fast, but it's going to be a new play on your YouTube channel, and the customers, not customers, but the consumers really enjoy watching these videos, and they can go viral on these YouTube platform. And then third is to treat your YouTube channel like a business. The more time, the more effort, the more time you actually invest into this YouTube platform, the more results you're going to get. Think about your life. Think about how much time you put into your fitness. When you work out more, do you usually get in shape more? It's typically yes. If you work harder, if you work longer at a job, are you going to make more money? The answer is yes. The same thing with YouTube. You want to see these same results, you have to be putting that same time in. Fourth is to create videos about the things that you love. Be very widespread. Don't just go around one boring niche. Share who you are. Share what you're going through. Share your hard times. Share your authenticity. And more importantly, people are going to relate and people are going to respond. And even better, they're going to go ahead and smash that subscription button, and you're going to start growing on YouTube. And then lastly, guys, post that first 50 to 100 to 200 videos. Get as much content as you can out there. The more videos, the better. Don't hold back. Whatever your thoughts are. And one little tip that I want to end with you guys is that continue to have ideas. For me, this notepad, my iPad, every time I'm driving the car and just thinking about new ideas, write them down, create as many different ideas as you can. And if you run out of ideas, find inspiration through other channels and kind of take a different twist. What you want to do is be different from all those other creators out there, because people need to come to your channel to see something different, to feel different energy, and more importantly, respond to who you are and go ahead and subscribe to your channel, because they love and feel that you're bringing as much value as possible. So guys, if you made it this far, you've not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel. My passion, my goal is to help you grow on social media. Not only am I doing this on my TikTok and helping people grow on their personal TikTok pages, growing on social media, but this is a huge opportunity for content creators like yourself. Now, I didn't think I can do this, and it's absolutely humbling, and I'm so blessed that I'm able to make this video hitting my first 1,000 subscribers. It was a huge goal in my life, and I know you guys can do this as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned and hit me up with any questions, comments, or concerns. This whole channel, what I want you guys to do with my content is to come to me to find tips and tricks to help better your life, to help get real results, and more importantly, achieve the things that you want to achieve both on social media and also through your personal life. So guys, hit me up on DMs personally through the comment section. We are here for you for whatever you need. Tell me about your weirdest, your funniest, your most strangest stories. I'm here to just jam it up, and one day, guys, I hope we can all do this journey together. So thanks again, guys. More importantly, love everyone who's tuning in. It literally means so much for you guys to spend your time to watch these videos, and I can't wait to produce another banger, because this one was absolutely a fire hit, and I can't wait for this to help so many people. You guys have a great rest of your day. It is Friday. We're gonna get this out as soon as possible, guys. I'm just so blessed, so thankful. Have an amazing weekend. Peace out.